Hello, Assalamu alaikum. This is Dr. Faraz Ahmad, and in this video we are going to discuss about the documents needed. Which documents we are going to discuss, like if you're going to apply for the visa to UK for PLAB 2, and which documents are necessary for this visa. So basically, as much documents as you can attach with your visa application, these documents will reduce the chances of your visa rejection. But the important documents which leads to the reduction in the chances of your visa rejection are, you have to shows as much ties into your home country as you can. Ties include any property into your name, any car or any other vehicle into your name, or any house in the name of you, your family registration certificate, your marriage registration certificate, certificate of your children, certificate of your brothers, certificate of your sisters. You have to upload everything there, and you have to upload regarding the if you're doing some job. This is very important as well, because you're doing job. This is an indication that definitely you will come back, because you have a job, you have a property, you have a family there, so you have to show as much ties as you can. So let's discuss about the documents right now in detail. So you will open the email which is being sent by the VSF, and from the email you can log in your account. So here you can see, to look at the documents needed, you can see here the option of the self upload. You will click on the self upload, which here you can see the two options, like view uploaded files and upload the files. So I will show you uploaded files which I have uploaded already. Click on the view uploaded file. Okay, and here this file will open in front of you. Here you can see there are the few headings where you can upload the documents. Number one, you can see the heading of the accommodation. Here we have uploaded the certificate of accommodation booking, which I have explained in the previous video. After the accommodation, there is the option of the educational evidences. In the educational evidences, you can see I have uploaded education PDF, all the documents from the metric, FSC, MBBS, then GMC registration proof I have uploaded. Then after this, I have uploaded house job certificate, I have uploaded the OET result, and after OET result I have uploaded PLAB 1 result, and I have uploaded PLAB 2 booking and the receipt. Okay, after that, Rawalpindi Medical University proof of the recognized institute and the secondary school degree certificate. After this, we will include the in the additional documents, we will include this type of the information, like I have included COVID vaccine certificate in the additional documents. I have included family registration certificate. I have included ID documents that include passport, ID card, your hospital card, and your PMDC card. I have included if you have some business or some other details, if you have some car, you have some land, you have some house into your name, you can upload the documents of those. Then I have uploaded my passport, I have uploaded police collector certificate. This is again very important document. You have to take document from the your police office. I have uploaded tax return, and I have uploaded utility bills and the residential proof as well. So these are the all important documents which you have to upload, and these documents will definitely help you in strengthening your application. So after this, there is an option of the employment evidence. If you are doing some job, you can upload these. As I have done my job in the DHQ Mia Valley, so I have uploaded the joining report and experience and the salary from the Mia Valley. I am doing job in the DHQ Vihadi, so I have uploaded everything. I have uploaded employment and private job experience as well. So the purpose of uploading all of these documents is to strengthen my application. So to upload more, I am going to click on the upload more files. So I will show you how to upload the. So I have uploaded few documents. I want to upload more to show you people. So as you can see, I have uploaded accommodation proof, I have uploaded educational evidences, I will later on upload the financial evidence, and so I want to upload a new document in additional document. So I will click on additional, I will click on choose file. So here you can select any of the document which you want to upload. So I am going to upload a document of my brother to strengthen my application. I will click on the document. It will take some time to upload, and you can see the document is getting uploaded, and after uploading you will see that this document will directly appear on the screen. So this is the process which you have to use for uploading the documents. So here you can see that document has been uploaded, and if you want to upload more, again we will click on the upload more document, and we will select the any other document which we want to upload. So the purpose of uploading these documents of my wife, documents of my brother, documents of my family, the purpose of uploading a large number of documents, and purpose of uploading documents of our siblings, our wife, and documents of uploading our property. What is the purpose? The purpose of uploading all these documents is that to avoid rejection of our visa application. So this is very important strategy. You have to apply this strategy, and if you want to preview your document, you can look here as well. Like this is the preview. You can see that this type of documents has been uploaded into your file, and in this way you can go with it. So now you will agree with the condition and you can save your application. So this is all regarding the application. All right, so here you can see your application has been submitted successfully. So this was all regarding the application, and these are the all documents which we have uploaded. So upload more file and the back to my account. So we will do the back to my account, and we will sign out